Cherry, oh baby, why in need of thee? If you don't believe it, so what have you left me to do? It's so long I've been waiting for you to come right in. Now that we are together, let's make